pause this video and give this problem a try, and then when you have an answer, resume the video to check if you got the answer correct. In this problem, we are given a couple substances as well as their Ksp values, and then we are asked which of the following provides a correct comparison of the molar solubilities of the following substance based on their Ksps. So we are told that Ksp is equal to a certain value, but we also are told that how Ksp is related to the molar solubility S. Essentially, if we want to solve for molar solubility, we just need to solve for S. So for example, with SNOH and MgF2, their Ksp is equal to 4S3. So if we want to solve for the molar solubility, we'll first divide both sides by 4, and then we'll cube root both sides to get rid of the cube. So that would be the molar solubility of the Ks of these two substances. And then the molar solubility of the other two, CuCN and NiCO3, well, that's just equal to S squared. So we know Ksp is equal to S squared, or molar solubility squared. So to solve for the molar solubility S, we just take the square root of both sides. So Ksp is just going to equal S. That means that the answer here is going to be B. It says that the molar solubility of CuCN and NiCO3 is calculated by using S equals square root of Ksp, and CuCN has a lower molar solubility than NiCO3. And that's because the CuCN's Ksp value is a lot smaller, negative times 10 to negative 20, versus NiCO3's the Ksp values to negative 7. If the expression for Ksp is exactly the same, in this case S squared, you can just directly compare the Ksp value, and a higher Ksp value is going to mean that the solid is more soluble. So that means that NiCO3 is going to have a higher molar solubility than CuCN, and that's why the answer is B. If you're taking AP Chemistry and you just need that extra boost to get over the hump, or you need a lot of help catching up in the class, then you need to check out the resources at apchemistrytutor.com. There you'll find amazing resources, free study tips, and guides that will help you with the class. Check it out. I think you'll find it to be very helpful.